In this video, I will show you how you can fix the app crashing issues on your iPad. Now, if the apps are crashing on your iPads and if you want to fix this problem, first of all, just open the recent app section and close the apps from the recent app section which is crashing. After you do that, then just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now once the force restart process has been completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next step. For that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And also after you do that, then just open the App Store and tap on your profile icon over here. From here, just tap on App Updates, and from here just check if there is any update available for any app on your iPad. If there is any update available for the apps on your iPad, just update them from here. Now, it might ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID, but after you do that, you will be able to update the apps on your iPad. Now, after you've done that, and if your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on iPad Storage, and from here, just check the storage of your iPad. If the storage of your iPad is full, this can cause app crashing problems. So make sure you delete some data from your iPad to free up some space. You can delete any app from your iPad which you no longer use, or you can upload all your photos and videos to your iCloud and you can delete them from your iPad to free up some space. And after you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go back to the General Settings, and under General, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then just tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad, you will just reset all the settings of your iPad. But in case if this also did not work, and if you have noticed that only a single app is crashing on your iPad, just delete that specific app, and after you delete that app, then just install it again from the App Store. And this is how you can fix the app crashing problem on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.